Tutorial video for real-time display models. Open box. Open the box, check the full related accessories. Install the device. Take the main motor set, insert the blades into the blade slots on the motor set softly. Screw it tight. Install the device to the stand frame. It is better to use the transparent cover for security issue. Insert the FC port of the optical fiber cable into the device right position. Must match the position, the cable wrist part into the device slot sunken part. Connect the device power cable and tighten it well. Insert the optical fiber cable SLC port to the optical transceiver as correct port. Then connect the HD video cable. Plug in the power cable of optical transceiver. Power on all adapters. Connect the other port of the HD video cable to any devices you will use. Connect to the computer. Just need to insert the HD video cable to the computer as HD video slot. While the computer turned on, device can display what the computer displayed. Just open what you want to display, it will show at the same time to the device. It is better to install apps software in your computer to play the video. The more details, please check the next tutorial video. Connect to the iPad. Preparing the converter, lighting to HD video port. Connect all the fittings. Then the iPad's screen will display to the device. Here we use the product as Sandy Interactive as an example. It can control the product in real time without delay. Can also be used for human projection real-time transmission.